So here I'm testing my new folding saw. You have to press the button to release it, so I can't open it one-handed.
Hello adventurers, today we're making a DIY bushcraft pot. And just found the perfect stick.
So now let's remove the bark and turn it into a handle. So, for the next task, we need the stick and the can. I bend the can's lid outwards, and then we just fold it in like this. This would make a handle at its own, but with our newly carved stick, this makes an excellent handle. Even with water in it, this is holding solid. And you have to have a bit of water in it, otherwise it will tip over, but I love it. It's so primitive and so easy. And you can reuse the stick. And there it's going. So, it's going well now. Now, let's put the pot on it. Can you hear it? Starting to boil. So, nice warm soup or warm cup of tea, whatever you want. I don't drink out of it, the rim is still hot.